What's going on YouTube? And today we're going to show you how to debadge your automobile. What's going on YouTube family? It's your man D back with you once again, and like I said, we are going to show you today how to debadge your car. Now in particular, I'm going to end up debadging the C7 Corvette. I'm going to end up taking off the Corvette emblems and replacing them with some hydro dipped carbon fiber C7 emblems. So I've been waiting to do this for a very long time. I ended up getting these badges from RPI Designs. I'll make sure I link them in the description below. And these emblems look fantastic. So let's do it. All right, everybody. So here's what we're going to need for this debadging. So we got a heat gun, and this is a very old heat gun, but it's gonna do the job. Then we have some 3M adhesive remover. We have a microfiber towel to put this on and try to get the residue off. And then we have, you can use fishing wire, but I'm going to use some dental floss just to go ahead and try to cut through the adhesive. So let's go ahead and see what we can do. So everyone, in this first step, we are trying to heat the 3M backing that is on the back of this emblem in order to soften it. What this will allow us to do, it will allow the fishing line or the dental floss to cut more easily through that 3M backing to release the emblem. What I'm trying to do is to ensure that as soon as I get done heating it up, I can get back underneath it as quick as possible, because of course it'll start to cool down. Got one side. And there you go. So you see, the only thing that's left, everybody, is this 3M kind of sticky tape. Now this is the hard part. Just trying to get this off. So let's go ahead at it. So this is where the 3M adhesive remover is going to come into play. I'm going to spray some of this on here. Completely off. Now you just want to clean up that area. Alright, so here's what we're going to be replacing this one with. As you can see, here goes the OEM one, and here goes the carbon fiber one, the hydro dipped carbon fiber. So, being that this car is expelled, along some of the edges of the cutouts, some dirt has accumulated underneath. So what I did is I got a Q-tip with some alcohol and kind of rubbed along those edges to try to get out the dirt. This is a very good chance for me to clean out those edges since I can't do it when the emblem is applied. Now what I want to do is I want to make sure everything lines up. I can visually see where I want to place the emblem before I actually take off the backing. And then once I do take off the backing, I have a better eye of how or where it should be placed. Now for the front emblem, you will just repeat the exact same steps. I will not go through that, but what I will do is go ahead and show you the finished product.